promote and grow the thing.
Okay, good, good.
Hi, my name is Colin, and I'm a student of U of T. I study mathematics application in finance, and I also have tried some startups. I opened the online shop and some non-profit organizations. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Louisa. I am MBA. I own a business online travel agency, and I am continuing my studies of taking information systems business analysis. I joined wrong today, and I am currently I am involved with 3 projects that are IT related. So I am combining tourism and IT as a business. So the reason why I came here, so I wanted to know, and I wanted to get the techniques in just only a few seconds. In just, as you said, few minutes, I could immediately sell or talk about my product and who I am, and what I could give it to the public, and what is the opportunity that I could get here.
Okay, great, great.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Alvin. I also graduated from U of T. Well, not in your faculty, actually, it's from applied science and engineering. I was data scientist, and I also founded my own company about 2 years ago when I was doing a full-time data scientist job. So initially, my startup was doing consulting for some of my friends or other small-sized companies, and then we try to build our own product also in the travel industry. So our goal is to help travelers to make their own itineraries in a very efficient way.
I'll have to collaborate with you.
Yeah, you already found partners already.
And we basically finished the basic functionalities. You can use it.
API?
No, it's a website.
Yeah,
So you
API
can go-
integration.
Sure. Go itripia.com, itripia.com. So.
Good. How about you?
Hello everyone, my name is Harshal Shah and I am from Centennial College doing post-graduation in Global Business Management.
Are you thinking about a startup or a venture?
Not right now because I am currently a student. So
Well, it's a good time to, okay.
there's a long way to think for that.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Hi everyone, my name is Floyd Sampson. I'm also from Centennial College. This is like one of the course that we have just for us to learn about like how networking would be. At the same time, like I also like was interested in this one because I'm thinking of starting up like an events management
Event.
business, yeah, in events. I'm a graduate of marketing management. And I've had this kind of experience in the Philippines though, because I'm from the Philippines. So I think this would be like a real good opportunity for me since learning business pitches. I still have like 6 more months before I graduate, but I think this is the right time for me to start as well.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Events are good actually, and but we don't have enough events in the city, and so you may be already like scratching into a market that has a lot of opportunity. So you're definitely on the right track.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Robin, and currently I'm pursuing global business management from same Centennial College. And I'm currently new to Canada, so I'm finding opportunities for myself.
Yeah. Well, Canada, there's a lot of opportunity in Canada. We are also a small market, but the trick is to find value and build it. So we are a built nation. So if you look for opportunities that are already, a lot of people come to Canada, sometimes they get frustrated because the opportunities that exist are already either they're taken or the opportunity doesn't exist. But the build side of things it's like the unseen market out there. So entrepreneurship is a way to go.
Hi, my name is Hong, and I just graduated from mechanical engineering in McMaster. And then together with my friends, we try to bring our products and projects into the market. Yeah.
Okay, what kind of product is it?
One of them is a 3D scanner. Yeah.
You already have the prototype ready and you're
Yeah, we already have all the software, hardware, all the stuff.
so you're looking to take it to the next level right now.
Yeah, into the market.
Okay, great.
Yeah, if you want to do some demo, you can just bring it here for next year.
Sure. Actually, my friend will come here soon.
Oh, okay.
Just as traffic.
Okay, oh yeah.
Yeah. We love to show more people about
Yeah.
everybody's new stuff.
Yeah, we have had some interesting demos. There was a bike, what was that, a bike clock Eddie brought to last month.
Yeah.
We,
Yeah.
we have had some interesting products that
Yeah.
entrepreneurs brought in here, and it was pretty enterprising. So, well, it's great to have you guys here. Well, and I mean, I'm excited.